Hi, in this week's video I will show you how to plant your potatoes in a grow bag, and later on I will explain why this method will increase your yields without wasting more space. So if you don't have enough space in your garden or you want to grow potatoes on a balcony, sit tight and enjoy the video. So let's begin. I don't need to tell you that for planting your potatoes in a grow bag you'll need some good fertile and draining soil, some good seed potatoes and a grow bag. Because you probably already know that, yes? But I can tell you what kind of grow bag you can use. I bought this set of 5 10-gallons grow bags from Amazon. They are made with a good robust fabric and have some nicely stitched handles for easy transportation. But I also wanted to try if I can grow potatoes in a smaller, promotional bag made of jute. So like the video if you want to see what happens when you're growing potatoes in a free 99 bag. The first step that you'll need to do is to put some fertile soil in a 3-inch layer on the bottom of the growing bag. And remember that the soil needs to be good draining, otherwise your potato will rot. I used my famous compost that you see also in my other videos. Next you place your tubers that are sprouting on the soil. Make sure that the sprouts are facing upwards. If your potatoes don't have sprouts, place them in an egg carton on the window shelf for a few days to promote potato sprouting. I placed 3 tubers in one growing bag and 1 in the smaller promotional bag. When your potatoes are nicely put into the soil, cover them with another 3 inches of soil. To easily estimate the height, you can roll down the sides of the grow bag and put the soil to the grow bag edge. I found this trick after planting potatoes in a few growing bags. Do you have any other tricks? Leave them in a comment down below. One advantage of planting potatoes in a grow bag is that you can move them in a more sunny location, because the potatoes love the sun and they need to have at least 8 hours of sun every day. You can increase the sun exposure by rolling down the walls of the growing bag, like you see me doing in this video. After 2 weeks, the first potatoes poked out of the ground, but you'll need to wait until they are at least 4 to 5 inches tall to begin the next important step in increasing the yields of your planted potatoes. 3 weeks after planting, the potatoes have reached the needed height to begin the yield improving method. With this method you'll need to cover your potatoes with more soil. You'll do this because covering potatoes with soil will promote tuber growth, thus increasing yields. And also, by adding more soil, you add more nutrients to the bag. But don't cover them completely. Leave the first set of leaves out of the soil. 4 weeks after planting my potatoes in grow bags, I repeated this method and added the soil to the top of my grow bags. Now I will wait another week and add some mulch to protect the tubers from sun exposure, because this can lead to green coloration of potatoes and they become poisonous. Now, all I need to do is to wait another 9 weeks until my potatoes will mature. So subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss the follow-up video and see how many potatoes I will harvest. And if you like gardening and you would like to see any more tips and tricks, click on the video on the screen. Like the video if you liked it, it helps me know that I helped you, and hopefully I'll see you next week.